How to log in to Netflix account. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply show you how you can log into your Netflix account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into our Netflix account, first of all make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Netflix app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in Netflix, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Now once you've downloaded or updated the Netflix application, I just want you to go over and then open it up. Now we're going to basically move on to the login process. So in order to move on to the login process, here you can select one of these saved accounts that you've saved from the bottom of the screen. But ignoring that, right over here you'll see all this option. If you want to subscribe to Netflix, you can tap on the get started button to do so, but to sign into your account, just tap on the sign in option from the top right hand side. Now over here just make sure to enter the email address or the password of the account that you're trying to log in. So let me go ahead and then enter my password as well. Now once you've entered the email address and password of your Netflix account, all you need to do is just tap on the sign in button. But before that, if you don't remember your password, you can tap on the need help button, and if you're new to Netflix, you can sign up right away. So just tap on the sign in option, and as you've done that, you'll be successfully logged into your Netflix account. And that's all it takes to log into your Netflix account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.